What do we got going here?
We're doing again a shrimp risotto, but it's going to be a lime shrimp risotto.
Okay.
Dice up the onions first, and we're going to saute those up with some risotto rice, and add the garlic, and then we're going to start cooking the risotto. It's going to be an easy one. It'll take probably about 40 minutes in total.
Okay.
And just like yesterday, but I think this one's going to taste better.
Okay. You gonna dice up some garlic?
Yep, now we get garlic. So I got the onions already in the pot.
Douwe has progressed to another step. What's going on now, Douwe?
Well, we got the stock in with the risotto, and now I'm dicing up the shrimp. The shrimp's going to go in last, which will be probably another 30 minutes. And then we're going to add the lime zest to it. And then at the end, we're going to add the cheese, Parmesan cheese. You saw me dicing up the onions. You saw me dicing up the garlic. So what I did, put some butter in the pan, started sauteing the onions first, then added the garlic, sauteed some of the garlic, then took the arborio rice, which is risotto rice, added that to it, started sweating the rice all together with the onions and the garlic, with the butter. And before that, you saw the shrimp stock already, so I made some shrimp stock. It took about 3 hours. Got the shrimp stock in there, and now it's cooking and simmering together with some shrimp stock. You see the color, that's from the stock. I'm gonna add a little bit of spring water to it. We're peeling some fresh shrimp right here. Well, Nick is peeling some of the fresh shrimp, not Huggy. Nick is doing it. So at the end, we're gonna add this shrimp, the peeled shrimps over there. This is one that's not peeled. We'll add that to it later on. And then another ingredient is more butter, Parmesan cheese, Romano cheese, and that's it. And then we're gonna taste it. And I'm telling you, this is one of my favorites. I'm adding some lime zest into the risotto. And now we're gonna add, I chopped up, diced up some shrimp. The last of our shrimp for the show. We're gonna get an exclusive.
Okay.
Last of this shrimp. Alright, we're gonna let this simmer for a little bit.
I mean, anybody that you access for the time knows me.
It's amazing how good with your hands you are. And
Nice knife work.
oh, exactly. You can tell he's done this a few times before.
Once or twice.
Yeah, once or twice.
Right? I can do a blindfold. Cold butter in the risotto. Right, now we're going to add the cheese, which is Parmesan and Romano. Some black pepper.
Wow. I wish there was some way to convey the pleasant odor of this dish. It's just amazing. A little bit of butter.
Throw the scallions in there this time. Yesterday we put them on top, right? We topped them off with the scallions.
This year.
This one a little bit different than what we did yesterday. This one I cooked the stock with lemongrass and I added lime zest at the end.
Okay.
So we'll have a little tang.
Check my booth, I'll be back.
All right, we're ready. If you come back, we're gonna be good. So first the chef.
I'm gonna get a shot of this mixture here. Uh-huh. Yes, indeed.
A little more salt. That's the pepper. All right, ladies and gentlemen, is good to go. That's my risotto. My shrimp lime risotto. Ready to taste. Are you all ready to taste?
Everybody's ready to taste. And if you don't mind, I'm going to record you eating this. I want to.
I appreciate that you figured out how to do raised fish that don't have diseases or shrimp. That's very good.
Not bad, huh?
That's incredible, yeah.
Shrimp lime risotto.
Yeah, it's
Parmesan cheese and Romano, both in there.
That's very good. I love
How you
it.
doing? You still got the quill?
I appreciate it. Thank you.
All right. Thank you for your opinion.
I've been raving about you guys over there. I'm like, hey,
See, everyone loves you.
I just made a shrimp lime risotto.
Yeah. I'm like, I hope I'm not too late for it.
we've been here, man. We've been here.
May I record you sampling this?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead, Martha.
Because we want your opinion.
Nice cups. Oh, cups. Drinking cups.
Thank you, Chef.
It's got to be an honest opinion, no exaggerations.
I've got you.
Ah.
I've been.
So in Houston, that's you guys are like right there, right?
Yes.
Yes, I remember.
That was in 2019. Yeah.
That's right.
What do you think so
Oh
far?
my gosh, this is so good. It's so creamy. Oh, the flavor is like I'm in heaven.
You're in heaven,
I'm
okay.
in heaven.
Well, that's one of the best comments so far.
Wow. Wonderful.
All right.
What is that white bubble butter?
Butter in there, yeah. Parmesan cheese, real Parmesan cheese, and Romano.
What do you think?
Amazing.
Amazing.
Wow.
Yeah, you like it?
The flavor is just
She's
on
quiet,
point.
so I guess it's really good again.
Well,
They did a lot better. The last 2 years ago, that was crazy. Now I've stepped up like
Great.
a culinary notch for everybody. You know, the quail egg, the tartars. I did egg rolls today. Vietnamese lumpias, Vietnamese egg rolls, the risotto, pork and shrimp pot stickers, all homemade.
Thank you, Chef.
My pleasure. You like the shooter, yeah?
Does not consume excessive natural resources.
Oh. Fresh and hot, right out the oven. Or I guess
the geographic center of the Southeast.
all right, sir, what do you think?
smells good.
Parmesan.
Oh, there's
Parmesan Romano, so you got the goat in there as well.
This guy knows what he's doing.
To Washington,
Like
D.C.
this.
And from Atlanta,
You guys not going for dinner later, are you? Come on. You want a little shooter? You want to try it or not, Steve?
This is the best risotto I think I've ever had.
Thank you.
And I've actually got a recording of you saying that.
That is very good.
It's for the record.
Thank you.
The Parmesan just makes it just like,
It's Parmesan and Romano. So Romano's made from goat cheese.
how do you make it? Like, how is the consistency so good?
Feel this, Mike, you got to try this.
non-seasonal, not affected by frost, hurricanes, or heat.
Well, let me switch around to some other unbiased observers. Katie, how is it?
It's delicious. Absolutely delicious.
Now, you're not saying that just because you work for the company.
Nope.
Nope. All right, let's get another opinion. What, is it good?
Very good.
Very good. Opinion of this shrimp dish. Now, it's got to be unbiased. It's got to be purely objective.
This is absolutely amazing risotto.
I will.
And I don't even like risotto. I love this.
So you,
It has little chunks of shrimp in it. It's been cooked in shrimp stock, made from the shrimp shells. It's just amazing. It's absolutely amazing.
so you would highly recommend this.
Yes, it's Douwe. Douwe
All right.
at his best.
A couple left, we'll see.
And it's right here, huh?
Yeah, those we harvested yesterday morning.
Okay.
These we got out yesterday morning too. They came, well, actually, sorry, those came Friday night. We harvested those Friday night. These were harvested Saturday morning. Live, brought them over here, lobster tanks, all 9 yards.
Good shot. Okay. That is good stuff. I recommend it.
natural shrimp. Got to get a bite. Some lime risotto shrimp, right?
Yeah, but we supply shrimp. It's all about shrimp. Risotto is a little swing I just gave right here
All
at
right.
the show.
It's
One of
still
those
really
swings.
good. Another bite.
Well, for all the shareholders that are listening to this, I mean, what can you say? We've gotten a lot of good recommendations.
I would say get your hands on as much natural shrimp as you possibly can. It's really good.
Douwe, could we possibly leave on a better note than that?
No. Yeah.
Thank you.
My pleasure, man. You have a good one.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.